Hey guys, this is Zach, and today this is a little bit of a reshoot. We'll be going over the primitive fire extinguisher bracket here. Um, so I recorded this whole thing before, and my GoPro didn't pick up the audio because apparently it's a piece of shit. So here we go. This black piece here is the bracket itself. I shot the video before. I shot the video and installed my fire extinguisher bracket before reviewing the footage, and I didn't realize the audio was totally messed up. So shout out to GoPro on that one. So a bit of a different. This isn't how it looks when you see it, when you receive it. So in the box, you're gonna get this fire extinguisher seat bracket here, this black piece here. This is the only thing that's in the box, along with the installation hardware, which are, let me get the extra bolts. So you get some extra bolts, some spacers if your car requires them, as well as some rivets and stickers, and then the instructions, of course. You need these bolts because these replace your stock front passenger seat bolts. You can see step one, remove the two-factor seat bolts and set them aside. You will not reuse these, so you're not reusing the factory seat mounting hardware. You're replacing them with this bolt and this washer, times two. And then of course these just get threaded through there and then go into the frame or chassis of your car. And then it's pretty straightforward. Spacer if you need it. The other thing was these rivets here. I opted to go with nuts and bolts just because rivets are a bit permanent, in my opinion at least. What if you want to switch fire extinguishers or fire extinguisher mount or flip it around or whatever you want to do. So that's pretty straightforward. The build quality, I mean, it's a piece of metal and then it's bent with some slots cut out. You can't really, it's pretty hard to mess it up. But this is definitely, in my opinion, at a glance, I'd say it's better than the Subi Speed one, and it's cheaper. It's $20 or $10 cheaper than the Subi Speed one. So for the same price as the Subi Speed bracket and shipping, I got the Primitive Racing bracket, a t-shirt, and shipping, and it was the same price as, they both would have been the same price, so this is a bit of a win, and I get an extra t-shirt. I went ahead and purchased a Heltron, or Halotron Halgard fire extinguisher, which is gaseous or liquid versus the powders. I went ahead with that. This is more expensive from H3R Performance here. It is more expensive, but the powder ones dispense a corrosive powder. So if you have an engine bay fire or a chassis fire or interior whatever, there's corrosive powder everywhere and it's very tough to clean. So the Helgard is a clean agent. You spray it on, it comes out. It's in here as a liquid, as a compressed gas that's on a liquid state, comes out in a gas, and then it's gone. Once you spray it, it puts the fire out, ideally, and then it's gone. There's no cleanup, no mess, nothing. It does displace oxygen, so you do have to be careful where you dispense it. But ideally, you're putting the fire out and then evacing to a safer area, whether you're on a rally stage or the side of the road or whatever. Ideally, you're getting the hell out of there. The next footage that you're gonna see is a time lapse of me joining these two pieces, and then after that, it should be me mounting them in my car. So that's just a brief overview of what this is, even though I didn't talk much about it. I mean, like I said, it's a simple piece, just powder-coated metal, and then some hardware to mount it into your car with some cool purple stickers, and that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys later.